still using a power strip? That's cute. Here's what the pros actually use. Ever feel like your pro audio setup is cursed? You drop $1 on gear, and the mix still hums like a microwave. That mystery buzz won't die, your monitors flicker like horror movie lights, and your focus? Gone, burned out by noise, stress, and one too many late-night gear failures. You're not crazy. It's not your cables. The real villain? Dirty, unreliable power. The kind that slowly fries your rig and your will to keep creating. You didn't spend your rent on gear just to sabotage it with wall jank. We've all been there. Now, we fight back. And it only gets worse. Just when you're vibing with that perfect take, poof, a random voltage spike nukes your session. That soul-snatching crackle ruins your set, while unknown interference turns your pristine tone into AM radio. Gigging DJs, live sound warriors, home studio heroes, we're all grinding under the same invisible chaos. Burnout creeps in. Your gear ages faster. You lose confidence, control, and worst of all, creative momentum. The opportunity cost is real: ruined performances, blown gigs, endless troubleshooting instead of doing. This isn't just an annoyance. It's sabotage. Power sabotage. Enter the Furman M8DX Power Conditioner plus Hosa Extension Kit, your rig's secret service agent. This beast does more than just protect. It filters out RFI/EMI noise like a Zen monk for your signal chain. Those 8 back outlets and 1 front jack? That's clean, reliable juice for every piece of gear you own. The digital voltmeter flexes like Tony Stark's arc reactor, warning you of incoming doom before it saps your dreams. And those twin pull-out lights? Slick, functional, stage-ready magic. Furman's protection isn't hype, it's legend. Trusted in studios, clubs, and touring rigs worldwide. Let's get real. This is pro-level gear without the pretentious price. You'll get simplified workflows, rock-solid uptime, and a crystal-clear signal path so clean it could double as spring water. With the M8DX, your tone is tighter, your workflow smoother, and your stress? Evaporated. Plus, the included Hosa 18-gauge cable keeps your IEC gear powered without sketchy extensions. Whether you're mixing, tracking, or throwing down beats, this combo keeps you in the zone. Curious if it's worth it? Just ask the thousands of pros who swear by it. Click to see the specs, your gear deserves this. Here's the deal. These don't stay in stock, especially when creatives finally catch on. So don't wait until your gear gets fried mid-gig or your next big mix flops from power noise. Snag the Furman M8DX plus Hosa bundle and join the army of artists, engineers, and DJs already living the clean power life. You've worked too hard to get here. Protect your passion. Power your performance. Click now, before this chance gets pulled like a faulty fuse. The time to upgrade is now, because dirty power never sleeps.